So today we get to know about the chroma key feature of inshot. Chroma key allows us to replace a green or blue background with another image or video. So here is a step-by-step guide to using it. First of all, open the inshot, then tap video and select the background video or image you want to use. Then tap confirm button. And then to add your green screen video, tap on PIP, means picture in picture, from the toolbar. Then select the green screen video from gallery. And then adjust its size and position as needed. And step 3 is applying chroma key. So tap on the green screen clip in the timeline and scroll through the tools and select cutout. And then click on the chroma key and then use the color picker tool to select the green background. And then adjust setting for a clean effect like strength, it increase or decrease to make the background fully transparent. And step 5 is final adjustment and export. Preview your video to ensure the effect looks clean or not. Tap confirm icon to save the changes and edit further if needed, like trimming, adding effect, text, etc. Tap save and choose the video resolution to export your final video. Now your video is ready with the chroma key effect, and let me know if you need any clarifications.